Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of a beautiful brand new 2018 Chevy Malibu. For the month of May, Apple Chevrolet is offering all of its customers the option between 16% off or 0% financing for 72 months with an additional $500. This goes for all 2018 Chevy Malibus. As you can see, this specific Malibu comes with your black Chevy decals and lettering and 17-inch custom aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that it does come equipped with our Bose audio system, jet black leather seating, and then when it comes to the front of this vehicle, you can see that it does have heated seating, a Chevy MyLink radio, and even your standard cruise control. This is Johnny at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.